This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Harley Hensley. Under construction. Available in March 2020. Semi-custom home built by ICN Homes. The Seville floor plan is a well-thought-out plan that is both stylish and modern in how the 3228 square feet of living space is used. This model features a 3-car garage, 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. The open floor plan has a large kitchen that overlooks the family room. The master bedroom is large even to today's standards and is on the main level of the home. The other downstairs bedroom features its own bathroom and that could be a pool bath as well. The remaining 2 bedrooms are upstairs and share a bathroom and a computer space. This amazing floor plan also has a separate dining area and a fireplace in the family room. Silver Lake Meadows is a gated community minutes from everything. Home can be built with pool at an additional cost. For more information, review the details below.